What up, y'all? I just want to share this really awesome program that I've been using called N. That's really the name. It's just literally the letter N. Now, N simply helps you to install and manage the versions of Node.js on your system. I have found this one to be way simpler than anything else that I have found, and it has made my life so much easier. So you can install it from a bash script on the GitHub repository, or you can just install it from npm. So we're going to install N globally here so that we can use it. So now that we have N installed, we can run N, and when you run it without any commands, what it will do is tell you which versions of Node you have installed. So I have the latest version of Node installed right now. But let's say you want to start working on a project that requires an older version of Node. All you have to do is call N with the version number that you want to install. So I ran it, and it immediately downloaded and installed Node 9.8.0. So how can we see what versions of Node that we have installed, or maybe versions that we want to install? We can run nlist. So you can see here that it has listed out all of the available versions of Node that we can install. And you'll notice that some of them are slightly gray, while the latest one that we have here is white. The ones that are white are installed on the system already. So if we scroll up here, we can see that 9.8.0 is installed. And we also have a little identifier which tells us which the active version is. If you already have a version installed and you want to switch to that version, you can do it simply by calling it the same way that you would install it. If you have a version of Node already installed and you call it with N, it will simply switch to that version. So after remembering to use sudo and calling N 10.8.0, we can see that N list tells us that 10.8.0 is now the active version again. But let's say that we want to be able to call multiple versions of Node without having to switch to it. We can run n bin and then the version number, and this will give us the path to the Node binary for that version. And once we have the path to the binary, we can call our applications directly with that binary. Now, this is a really cool command. Let's say that we installed a bunch of different versions just to test things out, but now we want to make sure that we only have the latest version installed. So let's take a look over here. We can see that we have 9.8.0 installed, and we want to get rid of that. So let's switch over to 10.8.0, and then we're going to call n prune. So the prune command will delete all of the other versions of Node except for the current version. If you only want to delete a specific version, all you need to use is the rm command, and that's all I need. I just need something small and simple that will install the version that I need, set the version that I need, and allow me to get rid of them, and that's what it does, and it does it really, really well. So I want to give 2 thumbs up to the N package. That's it. Thanks for watching.